sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
And hello AFAM, welcome to the video.
We are at the airport. My name is Ashley, this is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell so that you get notifications when we put up new videos.
Let's go. So we are on our way to Taipei in Taiwan. We are leaving Osaka right now.
A new country.
A new country.
We're leaving at nighttime, so we don't get to see anything until the morning.
No, but we will be sure to show you around our Airbnb once we get there.
Yeah.
One thing that I thought was really important that we should point out is that Ashley is trying peach Coca-Cola right now.
We are leaving Japan, so we had to use the vending machine one last time, and I've been seeing this peach Coke, and I haven't tried it. I've never seen it anywhere else but in Japan. Peach Coca-Cola. Oh.
I can smell peach. Yeah?
That is delicious.
Is it really?
I feel like frozen, this would be amazing. What the heck? It's so strange though. It doesn't taste like Coke.
Alright, so we are headed to Taipei, like I said. We're flying with Jetstar, and you should know that they're super strict on the bags. They actually weighed our carry-ons to make sure that we had no more than 7 kilograms each.
1 kilo over, and they made us take something out.
Yeah. Thankfully, my bag was light, by about 2 kilos, lighter than Ashley's. So I was able to put something extra from my bag into my check luggage.
But know that they are super strict, and be sure to purchase ahead of time baggage if you're going to carry on it, and check in.
All right, let's go on the plane.
So I did the thing where I booked the aisle seat and the window seat. We'll see if someone sits in between us. It didn't work.
I think you paid for it because no one else is getting food.
So
must have accidentally paid for food.
And you may now turn on mobile phone. However, please refrain from talking on the phones as a courtesy to other passengers around you.
And as if on schedule, my GigSky connected with the local service provider here for my cell phone service. We use GigSky to get cell phone data wherever we are in the world. So if you are interested in travel data or even just to top up and have a no contract hassle-free account while at home, check out GigSky in the link below. Thank you. #sponsor.
We just arrived in Taiwan. Currently here it's 1:30 in the morning, but it's almost, I think it's like 2:30 in the morning in Japan, so we are sleepy. First thing we did was grab our luggage that was on the carousel. Thankfully it got to us. Then, from my understanding, the only way to get downtown is by bus at this time in the morning, and or taxi, but taxi is way too expensive. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna take a bus. It's about 40 minutes to get into the city center. So yeah, we probably won't be getting in like till after 3 a.m. Japan time. But our second thing is Josh went to the ATM, got some Taiwanese monies, and now he's at the currency exchange, exchanging what little Japanese yen that we have left.
is about 10 US.
That's all you had left in Japanese,
That's all I had left in Japanese. I tried to spend all of it. I go wild at the end, you know, didn't work out. It's about 30 new Taiwanese dollar to the dollar, I think. I'm pretty sure.
30 Taiwanese to $1.
It is 2 a.m. I cannot do maths.
Let's find the bus.
Take coins, they never do.
This is what it looks like trying to get yourself organized.
I think I might need to go to Rollers.
Oh, we're not gonna get out of here till 5 a.m.
I'm kind of on that roller bag train at the moment. I'm getting tired of carrying everything.
I've been talking to him about it. Buy merch.
I almost fell over. Buy that merch. Buy that. Alright, we have arrived safely at our Airbnb, but it is 3:30 a.m., so we are going to sleep and we will see you in the morning. And it is 2 p.m. now. We slept in real good, had a lazy morning, and now we're going to show you around our apartment in Taipei.
So we get this Airbnb for a whole week, which is like the longest we've stayed in an Airbnb for a very long time.
I'm not sure how many videos we're making here because we're planning another video that is going to take a few days to do. Yeah. So I don't know if we'll have a whole week's worth of content, but you will get to see our apartment now.
Yeah, and if after seeing it in our videos, you're interested, we'll definitely put the link down below for you. This is it. This is our apartment. It is a studio apartment, so everything's here. Like just super easy, simple. And what makes this place super special and why we wanted to stay here really badly, I really wanted to stay here, is they have a black and white theme. I've never seen that in an Airbnb before, but everything is black and white and clean and crisp. The floor is shiny white. But yeah, this is it. There's a table here where we can get some work done, hang out. They have fun little knickknacks. And then the cute little kitchen is off to the side here with some windows looking out to the city, which is super nice. Our Airbnb host is a super host, which we've talked to you before about. But last night she left us a little note. She left us some pastries for the morning time in this cute little kitty bag. And some noodles if we wanted to have noodles. We have iced tea in there. Like, she's awesome. And then our bathroom, which is giant, and the shower is really big. Like sometimes Josh can't fit in showers because he's like really tall and has long arms, but this widens on this side, which is really, really nice, and it has a window. It's gotten really muggy here, so that is something good. But yeah, this is our apartment for a whole week.
The beat.
Moped territory, yeah.
So I've been doing my research, and supposedly if we're going to be in Taipei a little bit of a longer time, it's better to buy the easy cards, which is the metro, the bus, the train. You can use it for anything, you just top it up. But if you use that, then you get 20% off of every ride. So it's worth it if you're staying longer. You do have to pay for the cards. So Josh and I went to Family Mart. They're not even cards, they're like little keychains. We gotta choose from like a bunch of different kinds.
I mean, how are you not gonna get Hello Kitty in a little Poochie pouch?
So cute!
And in true Asia fashion, it is about 70 degrees, 75% humidity, and it's raining. We're warm, we're a tiny bit wet, and we're comfortable. This is the Asia that Ashley and I know. Japan's barely even Asia at that rate, you know? Like, this is loud, we got mopeds everywhere, it's raining, it smells a little bit musty because it's just wet and hot all the time. This is the Asia we know. From our time in Asia before, we typically wouldn't drink the water out of the tap. It's just not a good idea. But I've never been to Taipei before, I don't know about Taiwan. Who knows? I'm gonna risk it. Wish me luck.
Cute.
That's your Metro card?
Yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to just use my phone and swipe. That's so cute. I wish that everywhere did like different kinds of Metro cards where you can choose them. Usually the Metro cards are just like one normal card.
Boring.
Yeah, this is so fun.
Alright, we are back at our Airbnb. We got a lot of fun things planned for Taipei. It gave us a chance to like actually research the place, which we haven't been able to do for a while, I feel like.
You haven't.
I was setting her up for the pun and she like really went soft on me. Ashley does all the planning usually. I helped this time, which is unusual. That was the joke.
It's nice that you have learned something about Taipei. And
Yes.
we have so much plans. Like, we have 2 whole weeks here, which is really exciting.
Anyways, Wave Fam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. We have a lot more coming from Taipei. We're loving this place. And again, thanks to Geek Sky, our sponsor. Check them out in the link down below. As well as this place if you'd like to check out this Airbnb. Link is down in the description for this as well.
Yeah, well, we'll see you later, guys.
And I don't know how to say goodbye in Mandarin or Taiwanese. Nope.
Saijin.
Nope, that's Japanese. Future Josh here. I just want to point out that Ashley is absolutely 100% correct. Saichen is goodbye in Taiwanese. Back to the outro. Nope, that's Japanese. Dang it. Goodbye from Taipei.
We'll learn it soon, we promise.